Hugo's Market is the place to be. New colors and shapes for you and me. We've seen the apple and the banana too, but now we have something brand new for you. I see something spiky, I see a crown, the coolest fruit in the whole market town. A yellow pineapple, sweet and tall, with the prickly suit, he's the king of them all. Pineapple! Yellow and gold. I see something bright, like a dragon scale, a fruit from a faraway magical tale. Pink dragon fruit, with seeds of like, once you try a bite, you keep coming back. Dragon fruit! Pink and white, yummy, yummy fruit, so good to eat. A tropical snack, a jungle treat. Colors and flavors, a healthy tray. Let's eat the rainbow every day. Jump along, let's move our feet. The fruit market song has a happy beat. Tiny and fuzzy, a coat of brown, but look inside, it's the best green around. A green kiwi, zesty and small, the funkiest fruit of them all. Kiwi! Fuzzy and green, smooth